In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Instagram story three-dot menu not showing. If your Instagram story is missing the three-dot options menu, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary glitch, cached data, or an out-of-date app, and it's often easy to fix at home. Start by updating the Instagram app. On Android, open the Play Store. On iPhone, open the App Store. Search for Instagram and tap Update if you see it. Updates often include bug fixes that restore missing buttons and menus. If you want to prevent this from happening again, consider enabling automatic updates so you always have the latest version. While you update, make sure you're on a stable internet connection for a clean install of new files. If you're on Android and still don't see the menu, clear the Instagram cache. Go to your device settings, open apps, find Instagram, then storage, and tap clear cache. This wipes temporary files that can cause interface elements to misbehave without deleting your account or posts. Avoid clear data unless you're comfortable signing back in and reconfiguring settings, because that's more like a full reset. Next, log out and log back in to refresh your session. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the three lines, choose settings, and scroll down to log out, then sign back in. This step refreshes your account data and can restore missing options if the issue was tied to a stale session or a permissions flag that didn't load correctly. If the menu still isn't showing, reinstall Instagram. Uninstall the app from your device, restart your phone or tablet, then reinstall Instagram from the Play Store or App Store. Log in and check your stories again. Reinstalling replaces corrupted files and resets the app environment, which often clears stubborn UI issues. Before you do this, make sure you know your login details so you can get back in smoothly. From here on, keep an eye out for new updates. Instagram regularly rolls out fixes that address glitches like missing menus, sometimes even with server-side changes. Keeping the app updated is one of the simplest ways to maintain a smooth experience. A few final tips. If one method doesn't work, move to the next without skipping steps. Use a reliable internet connection while testing, since a weak connection can prevent interface elements from loading. And avoid third-party modified versions of Instagram, as they can break standard features like the story options menu. Following these steps should restore the three-dot option in Instagram stories so you can access your story controls and settings again. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.